Watermelon, with its juicy red flesh, is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Here's why you should include red watermelon in your diet. Firstly, red watermelon is a hydrating fruit. It contains about 92% water, which helps keep you hydrated, especially during hot weather. Secondly, red watermelon is rich in vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision. Additionally, red watermelon contains antioxidants like lycopene, which gives it its vibrant color. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, red watermelon is low in calories and fat, making it a healthy option for weight management. Its high water and fiber content also help you feel full and satisfied. Furthermore, red watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure.